All right, we're going to take a look today at 30, 60, 90 right triangles. They are the other set of right triangles that are special because they have special rules. So what we're going to do is take a look at an equilateral triangle, which has 60 degrees in every angle. So it's also equiangular. And if we would draw an altitude straight down here, okay, at right angle, okay, that altitude then would split this angle here to 30 and 30, and we'd have 30, 60, 90 right triangles, okay? So our 30, 60, 90 right triangles have a relationship also, very unique, okay? So our shortest side is always opposite our 30-degree angle. So this is our short leg, okay, or short side. Our longer leg is next across from our 60-degree angle. So this is our long leg. And of course, our hypotenuse is always opposite the 90-degree angle. Okay, so short leg opposite 30 degrees, long leg opposite 60 degrees, and hypotenuse opposite 90 degrees. Okay, so let's keep that here because we have a relationship between those rules, and those rules are the following. Everything's based off the short leg. If the short leg is x, then the hypotenuse is 2x, and the long leg is x radical 3. So our short leg is the key to getting the answers to long and hypotenuse. So let's do our rules. So long leg is equal to short leg times root 3. Hypotenuse is equal to short leg, or 2 times the short leg. And that's it. That's our rule, okay? So you have to memorize your rules for your 45, 45, 90s as well as your 30, 60, 90s, okay? So those are the rules we need. All right, so I'm going to keep those over here, and we're going to come up with a new problem, okay, so that we can work it out. All right, so we have a 30, 60, 90 right triangle because we have 30 degrees here, so the rest of it has to be 60, and that's our 90 degrees. We want to find B and A. Now, A is our hypotenuse, and B is our short leg, all right? What we need to do is work a little backwards because we are not given the short leg this time. So this is our short leg. This is our long leg. And of course, we know this is our hypotenuse. Okay, so we have to get our short leg from here, from the long leg, in order to get our hypotenuse. So we do know that our long leg equals short leg times root 3. Okay, well, our long leg is 6 root 3. We don't know our short leg, it's B, but short leg times root 3 gives us that long leg. So we're going to divide by root 3, or you can absolutely see the obvious. Anything divided by itself is 1, so B equals 6. So our short leg now is 6, so we're going to put that on our figure. Okay, this is 6 here. So to get our hypotenuse is twice that. Okay, our rule is that our hypotenuse equals 2 times the short leg. So our hypotenuse, which happens to be A, equals 2 times 6. So A equals 12, so our hypotenuse is 12. So here are our 2 answers. And again, I would write them on the figure so you can see them, but you do want to label them, okay, so that your work is shown and everybody can see what you've done. All right, let's take a look now at this one. Okay, so we've got a 30, 60, 90 right triangle yet again. So if this is 30, we're going to put 60 down here, okay? And we have our hypotenuse is x, okay, because it's across from our 90-degree angle. And as you can see, triangles are not always given to you in the manner in which you want. And if you want, you can turn it around. That's fine. But, you know, be flexible, work with it this way too. All right, and Y is our long leg. So sometimes, you know, I get tired of writing long legs, so I'm just going to put long, short, and of course we know this is our hypotenuse. Okay, we have our short leg, so it's pretty easy to get our long leg. So our long leg, Y, is going to be 17 times root 3. And that's it, done. Our hypotenuse, which is x, is 2 times our short leg, which is 34. And we're done. Okay? So once you've identified those pieces, it's pretty easy from there. Let's try another problem. Okay. All right, our short leg is 19, our long leg is y, our hypotenuse is 8. Sorry, x. I'm trying to calculate my head already. All right, so let's do our hypotenuse first. It's going to be twice our short leg, so it's going to be 38. And there you know where I got the 3 and the 8 from, see? Okay, so that's 38. And our y is our long leg, so it's going to be our short times root 3, and that's it, 19 root 3. And done. Okay. All right, let's take a look at this problem. All right, so we have y. That's our long leg because it's opposite our 60-degree angle. If that's 30, it has to be 60. And you can write this on your triangle so you can see it. It's probably a good idea. Our short leg is 13 over 2. I would leave it as a fraction because I think it's easier to work with, particularly getting a hypotenuse and working with square roots. So y is our long leg, so y is equal to 13 over 2 times root 3, and you can leave your answer just like that. Okay. And x is twice 13 over 2, so it's 13 over 2 times 2, which is going to give us 13. And there you have it. Okay, not everything's going to come out peachy keen for you the way you want it. Okay, this is our 30-degree angle, so this has to be our 60. Our short leg is n, so I'm going to write short here because it's not as straightforward this time for our calculations. That's our long leg, and this is our hypotenuse. We need to get our short leg in order to calculate our long leg, but we need to get our short leg from the hypotenuse. So remember, hypotenuse equals 2 times short. Our hypotenuse is 4 root 3. It's equal to 2 times n, because n is our short. So we're going to divide by 2 and divide by 2. So n equals 2 root 3. So that is our short leg. Now our long leg is equal to short times root 3. So now our long leg is what we want to know, so it's m equals, our short leg we calculated is 2 root 3 times root 3. So we're going to get m equals 2 times, that's square root of 9 or 3. If you remember from last lesson, radical times itself is the radicand, which is the number inside, underneath that radical. So 2 times 3 is 6, so m is 6. Okay, and last but not least, we'll try this problem. This is our long side x. So that means y is our short side. And 18 is opposite 90, that's our hypotenuse. Again, we have our hypotenuse, but we need our short leg to get to our long leg. So the hypotenuse is equal to 2 times short. So 18 equals 2 times y. Divide by 2. Y equals 9. And our long leg is short times root 3. So our long leg is x. And our short leg is 9 and times root 3. And that would be our long leg, 9 root 3. And that is how you calculate the side lengths of a 30, 60, 90 right triangle.